We're at Ironbridge now. I'm going to walk around, do a walkabout, show you this gorgeous town and the Ironbridge, which is what we're here to see, and we'll just enjoy the scenery. I'll try to give you some commentary, but just relax, folks. It's a nice place to be, and I hope you enjoy.
So this is the view from the car park. I only show this because just this view alone is exceptional. But we're going to move on, and I'm going to hopefully show you the view of the bridge and what's beneath it. A wonderfully flowing, cold, no doubt, river. Right, so we're actually on the bridge, and I'll walk to the middle, and then I will show you what's on either side and below. There is a hump to the bridge which will give me the highest point, so let's wander up to that hump and then see what we can see. As you can see, straight ahead up on the hill is the church, and we're at the hump, and I will show you. This is the river. To my right you can see canoes. You can actually hire canoes here and wander downriver. I'm not sure how it works. There isn't much of a flow on this river, so I imagine you can go up and down. And what I would say is the house situated alongside the bank of the river. Look, quite beautiful. Just enjoy the river view of an evening. Right, let's go to the other side. Again, it's the river. Can't see. Oh, in the distance there's some houses which sit very well on the bank, and you can see from here maybe the shopping precinct, promenade, which we'll wander down now, but before that we'll show you the bridge from underneath. There is a war there's a war memorial. Shouldn't be a tongue twister, but it was for me. Just to my right, and we shall see who it commemorates. It looks as though it might be a First World War veteran from the uniform, and that's just an educated guess. Yes, no, it's the Second World War. Okay, Second World War. Right. So you can potentially read this, but it's just a memorial. I say just, no, it's a very important memorial, but now I'm going to show you the bridge in its splendour. You have to understand that this bridge, when created in 1779, was something to behold, not just in Britain but all over the world. Let's add some flowers And let me head down and show you the bridge with a further close-up. So this is as close as I'll go, but you can see the bridge in its full splendor. We'll go on to the other side. And what I wanted to point out was that the bridge had a function, but I think in years gone by people provided a function, but there was a potentially a pride that created not just a function but an artistry to their workmanship. So if I just show you this, you know, it's not just that it's a beautiful bridge, its design has, you know, artistic signatures all over it. It could have been just a basic bridge, but they put a theme to it. To me, it looks like a floral theme. To others, it looked like something else, but there is something that makes this look very, very unique. So there you have it, Ironbridge, the first iron bridge in Britain. Hold that thought. So, did you hold that thought? Okay, so when I say it's the first iron bridge to be built in Britain, I think that's actually a falsehood. That might not be absolutely true, but it's the first large iron bridge across the river. I think there were iron bridges prior to this, but I think this is the one that gained notoriety because of its size and its splendor. But I think there was a bridge that was built earlier, in fact in Shropshire, the county that we're heading towards. Right, so this is promenade. It's got shops and shop fronts that look antiquated when you compare them to modern shopping centres, but they have their own charm. There's no denying that this charm is worth appreciating. Many ramblers, many walkers. I'm going to head in this direction because it looks as though it's a little side street, but the architecture is forcing me to feel as though I'm walking back in time. Oh, extremely steep hill. I think this might head towards a church. We won't venture that way. I've got a big hike, so let's conserve energy. Yes, I can hear you laughing. Beautiful. I'm not sure if these are now residential properties or whether they are used for commercial purposes, like a restaurant or something of that nature. I'll walk further along so you can see Suri's Kitchen, Thai cuisine. Interesting. That's the wonderful thing about Britain. It's multiculturalism, which transfers itself really well in terms of food. There is no country's cuisine you can't find in Britain, and that is definitely something that supports the colourful rainbow that is Britain and its populace. At this point I will do an about turn and turn around and head back. So see you guys back on the bike where we'll hit the road again.